This project is IoT based hand sanitizer. Here hardware connections are Arduino and its daughter board along with power supply, 16:2 LCD display. Wi-Fi module ESP8266 connected to Arduino IOT port. Solenoid valve controlled by relay which is connected to Arduino digital pins. Here IR sensor and buzzer connected to Arduino digital pins. 10K potentiometer connected to Arduino analog pin respectively. Here sanitizer setup look like this and IR sensor placed at this bottom of this panel. Sanitizer will dispense when hand placed at bottom of IR sensor. Also number of times sanitizer will dispense will upload into the IoT server. We can adjust the sanitizer quantity by using this potentiometer and its scaling from 1 to 10. Here we have our own server designed according to our requirement. Initially we have to create hotspot in our mobile with the name of IoT server and password is IoT server 123. Now we have to open hotspot settings. We can see here network name IoT server and password IoT server 123. Save. Mobile should have internet through the SIM. Now we can log in several application in this URL. Here URL is projectfactory server.in using username and password. Username IoT34 and password is IoT34. We can name it this according to our requirement. In this URL we can open in our mobile or laptop. Now we have to open in our mobile. We can see here projectfactory server.in and it is asking username and password. Username IoT34 and password IoT34. Now power on this. Here we can see on LCD it is showing volume 0 and count. For example, if you set the volume 1, if you set the 3 ml, here on LCD it is showing U. U means data uploaded into the server. If we set the volume 5, count 3. Volume 8, count 3. Volume 10. You have to refresh this page. Here we can see sanitizer count with respect to date and time. And we can see in graphical format also. We have to press the switch to graph view.